Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to shorten page length on Wix. So let's get started. So as of right now, I am on the Wix website editor. Then you can see my page right here. So this is my page, and this is the section which is a blog feed. So I can just scroll down. So just scroll down on your page, and then from there you should be able to see an arrow that can help you with this one. So let me scroll down first. And then once you have scrolled down, you can see this. This is the arrow that I'm talking about and can help you adjust the section height or double click to remove any extra space above. So let's try to double click for this right now. So once you have double click, as you can see, this is the only space that it had cut. So we can actually just try to drag this up until we reach the desired space that we want. So let's just click on this again, and then let's just adjust this depending on how long we want to put this into. So as you can see, we have adjusted, and as you can see, it has changed or it has removed some spaces of our website page. So as you can see, it looks like this right now. If you want to change or adjust your footer, you can also just use that and just use this footer height adjuster that we have resembled on the specific page adjuster. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change the page length of your website and Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.